Hello, today we're in Millbury, Massachusetts. The current temperature is 23 degrees. We're at a location where we have 59 Ecoer units installed up here. And at this location, each one of the units is either on the ground or up on the roof. They are all 2 to 3 ton units, and they're hooked up to our 3-ton indoor air handler with a 5K electric heat strip. These have been operational now for the past 3 months. All the homeowners are currently happy, comfortable, no issues going on with them at all. We just wanted to come up and do a site visit and check and see how everything was going. So we'll continue to line down here and show you a few of the units. So as you can see, each unit is paired up in sections of 4 or 2, depending on the location of the apartments. And they fit nice and tight in there, nice and quiet, and no complaints at all. And again, it's pretty cold outside, and the Ecoers are doing what they're supposed to. Thank you.